Hi guys, so for this DIY you'll be needing a bunny stencil. I'll leave the one I used linked down below, as well as a book, some cardstock paper, decorative ribbon, cotton balls, and some twine. So I'm starting with the cardstock paper. I'm going to be tracing 4 of the bunnies onto, you can use poster board as well. You just want something to help the book pages be more stable so they don't get ripped. And then I'm just going to cut these out. Now you're just going to choose a page out of your book. You just want to choose the one that has a lot of writing on it so there's no gaps on your bunny. And then you're just going to trace it out just like we did with the cardstock paper. And now you should be left with 4 bunnies from the book and then 4 from cardstock paper, and we're just going to be gluing them together. And then I just made sure to cut off any excess cardstock paper that was showing on the sides. And now for the fun part, we're gluing on our cotton balls, aka bunny tails, and I'm just using my glue gun to put a little dollop of hot glue and sticking them on. And now you just want to take your decorative ribbon and cut off about 11 to 12 inches and then cut that one in half to make 4 strips. And here I'm just taking a lighter so that I can burn the edges. Since this is burlap ribbon, I didn't want it to continue to fray. And then I took about a 7-foot piece of twine, and I forgot to mention, but I used a hole puncher to punch holes in the tops of the bunny ears, and that's how it's going to be staying on the banner. And then I'm just going to separate them evenly so that we can tie our fringe in between the bunnies. here's the final result. I think it turned out super cute. I can't wait to hang this on my fireplace when it gets closer to Easter. If you decide to do this DIY, be sure to tag me on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.